The federal government of Nigeria is only keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention simply because he is an Igbo man. Because I don't see the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. The federal government of Nigeria and northern governors are negotiating with bandits and terrorists that are killing people. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have never killed anybody is still in detention. This shows that the government of Nigeria does not care about the life of Nigerians. Imagine bandits and terrorists that are killing people in the north, slaughtering people. The federal government of Nigeria is negotiating with them. But they kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. What is he doing in detention? For 5 good years, he has been in detention. They are always taking him to court issue. After everything, they not still get one thing where they will say to us, see the reason why they take hold on. All the accusations and allegations that the federal government have placed on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have no proof. He's still defeating them in court. They are only keeping him in court to prolong his stay there. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This shows that the judiciary of Nigeria is unfair. The judiciary of Nigeria has been hijacked. It's just there. It's not working. We, Igbo nation, we are demanding for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.
Nigerians are hypocrites. The first problem we have in Nigeria is insincerity. And this is why people like me are speaking up. You know the funniest thing? People don't want you to talk because Nigerians will gaslight you that you are fighting for IPOB, you are talking of cessation. And this is where the first problem lies. This is where people are running away from saying the truth. If Nigerian government has held somebody for 5 good years, and they claim they are doing investigation, it's not hard time you convict the person. See, even the last 3 years, Nigerian government with their law has convicted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the argument would have been that people would not be saying he was convicted unjustly, or maybe they accuse him of what he did wrong. But 5 good years and the person's health is in deterioration, yet you have not been able to bring any evidence and proof to say this guy actually did something wrong. That means you need to free him. That is my position. If somebody has committed a crime, 5 years is enough for you to investigate and convict the person guilty and send him to jail. Let the person know say he's serving his jail term, instead of you keeping the person and be playing pranks and deception back and forth going to court. Nigerian government should do something, or else we are telling us that the rule of law is not obeyed. You are telling us that the judiciary has been hijacked. You are telling us there is no fairness, no equity, no justice in Nigeria. Because as I'm talking to you now, the governors of Katsina State are negotiating with bandits. 5 local governments with 5 different bandit groups are being negotiated to have freedom and peace deal with the state government, including with the federal in extension. Meanwhile, somebody you claim that you have not been able to find anything is rotting in jail. It's not fair. And you don't want people to speak about it because you feel like if people talk about it, they are supporting IPOB, they are terrorist group, they want to divide Nigeria. How many of us want to divide Nigeria? Nigerians is already doing something that will divide Nigeria. We are already divided in religious front, we are divided tribalically, we are divided with tribalism, we are divided with political move. Because the system is not just, it's not fair, it's not treating anybody right. So it's high time this man become free. It's not fair the way they are spoiling the economy of the Southeast. Every Monday, the Igbos sit down, because now Nigeria will tell you, say, Igbo people are not united, Igbo people are not united. What unity do you need that people in the 5 states are sitting down at home for 5 years, every Monday? Is that not enough unity? What language do you want people to speak again, if not for action that speak louder than voice? I'm out of here, Joe.
Big one from top. Makoku Nnamdi Kanu, you need Makoku Nnamdi Kanu of freedom. ihe ewute ka mụ ebe Nnamdi Kanu nọ eji maka Nnamdi Kanu ma abịa ọrụ every Monday a sacrifice onwe m nọọsị every Monday ama abịazi ọrụ yọtago and then Nnamdi Kanu eji na ọ na-ewutekwa m ọ nọ ọnụ m elutere ebe ndị nna anyị nọ ọ bụla ọnụ m lute ọga ụta nnọkịta iwe ewekwa m ọ bụla egbesi gbaa si rapụzi Nnamdi Kanu tago rapụziri anyị Nnamdi Kanu biko na ana m ayọ dododo rapụziri anyị o nwere onye ihe onye ha mee onye a bụ mpa anyị si rapụziri anyị Nnamdi Kanu biko ana m ayọ dododo daalụnụ.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Picture for